Dear colleague, my name is Halyna Antonyuk. I, with my colleague Lilia Chernysh, we want to present our scientific research on the theme. So, diachronical analysis of lexicographic sources of military terminology. The relevance of the topic is due to the following factor. The study of military terminology is of importance for modern linguistics. Military terminology is a dynamic industry that is constantly changing and develops due to the rapid development of science and technology. New concepts are emerging that require a definition of speech and the adequate translation and transmission in national languages. The article analyzes the morphological structure of themes, the use of functional and stylistic function, comparative analysis of lexicographic sources in the chronological dimension of the mid-19th and early 20th centuries. The research is based on translation of military terminology in different time through the prism of man, human perception of the surrounding reality through terminology, consideration of military terminology through the division into different lexical, semantic, and morphological groups, highlighting the communicative role of military terminology. Novelty of the study are, so you can see. This slide presents the results of the research. In the course of the research, more than 20,000 themes were analyzed at the level of climate lexicographical sources. The first source is the analysis of the vocabulary in the dictionary of Ilnitsky-Sakovich, 1939. The second source is the analysis of vocabulary in the dictionary of Vinchale, 2010. So, results of dictionary of Ilnitsky-Sakovich and results of dictionary of Vinchale. Here, the organization of states in dictionary of Vinchale and Sakovich, analyzing, and as a conclusion, we can see. Military terminology is a dynamic industry that is constantly changing and evolving due to the rapid development of science and technology. Military terminology, as professional vocabulary, is closely related to, is connected with the general lexical structure of the language, with scientific and technological progress, without which the consideration of this professional terminology is impossible. Prospect for the future research in this area is analyzing of new lexicographical sources in order to trace the vector of professional military terminology and its influence on the formation of the general lexical structure of the language. Thank you for attention.